Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch feeling sluggish? You're not alone. Many users experience lag, freezing, or slow responsiveness. This usually stems from a combination of factors. One major cause is software overload from Wear OS, which runs multiple background processes, notifications, and apps simultaneously. Limited RAM, typically 1 to 2 gigabytes, can get overwhelmed by multitasking demands. Inefficient battery management can lead to thermal throttling, where the system slows down to conserve power. Full storage forces the operating system to swap data inefficiently, causing slowdowns. Older models with Exynos processors may struggle compared to newer watches with more powerful chips. Understand that Wear OS runs background processes, notifications, and apps, which can strain your watch's resources. We'll walk you through how to identify the causes and get your watch running smoothly again. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, perform a hard reset by holding down the power button until the watch restarts. This clears temporary files and can resolve minor glitches. Next, ensure your watch's software is up to date. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, navigate to Watch Settings, Watch Software Update, and install any available updates. Samsung often releases updates to address performance issues. Finally, clear the cache for apps you use frequently. Go to Settings, Apps, choose App, Storage, Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that can slow down the watch. Too many apps can bog down your watch. Uninstall any apps you rarely use. Aim to keep your installed apps under 10 for optimal performance. To free up storage, delete unnecessary files, such as downloaded watch faces or offline music. You can manage storage in Settings, Battery and Device Care, Storage. Also, consider disabling or limiting background data usage for apps that don't need constant updates. This prevents apps from constantly refreshing in the background, saving both battery and processing power. Inefficient power usage can lead to thermal throttling, where the watch slows down to prevent overheating. Disable the always-on display if you don't need it, as it significantly impacts battery life. Reduce screen brightness and shorten the screen timeout duration. Enable power-saving mode when you anticipate extended use or low battery levels. Limit the use of power-intensive features like GPS tracking during workouts if precise tracking isn't crucial. Adjusting these settings can significantly improve performance and reduce lag. Sometimes, software conflicts can cause persistent lagging on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. A common culprit is apps from Google Play services that may not integrate well with the watch's operating system. If you notice lagging after installing or updating an app, try uninstalling that recent update first. This can resolve compatibility issues without losing all your data. If the problems continue, a factory reset may be necessary to clear all software conflicts. However, this will erase all data on your watch, so back up important information first, such as health data or saved settings. To perform a factory reset, navigate to the Settings menu on your watch. From there, go to General, then Reset, and select Factory Reset. Confirm the action to proceed. After the factory reset is complete, set up your watch again from scratch. Then selectively reinstall your apps one by one, monitoring the watch's performance after each installation. This helps identify which specific apps might be causing the lagging issues. Newer Samsung watches utilize AI-driven features like adaptive performance in One UI Watch, which learns your usage patterns to optimize resource allocation. These systems predict and mitigate slowdowns by prioritizing essential functions and closing unused apps. Expect future watches to have even more advanced AI integration, potentially eliminating lagging through predictive software and seamless integration with AI assistants. Battery technology is also improving, with advancements like graphene-enhanced cells extending battery life and reducing lag related to power depletion. Many users have successfully resolved lagging issues on their Samsung Galaxy watches by taking specific actions. Let's look at some real-world examples and experiences. One common solution users report is uninstalling problematic apps. Many have found that removing certain applications that were causing conflicts immediately improved watch responsiveness. Factory resets have also proven effective for many users experiencing persistent lagging. This complete system refresh often resolves deep software conflicts that simple updates cannot fix. A frequent complaint involves excessive lagging during workouts. Users often experience this when using GPS-enabled fitness tracking apps, which demand significant processing power from the watch. Some users have discovered that uninstalling specific Google Play Services updates can significantly improve watch performance. These updates sometimes introduce compatibility issues that cause slowdowns. Another common issue is excessive background data usage. Apps running data-intensive processes in the background can overwhelm the watch's limited resources, resulting in noticeable lagging. These real-world examples highlight the significant impact that app overload and software conflicts can have on watch performance. The key takeaway is the importance of customizing your app usage to maintain optimal responsiveness. Tech experts emphasize the importance of proactive maintenance to prevent lagging on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. By adopting these practices, you can minimize the chances of experiencing lag and ensure your watch continues to run smoothly. Regularly update your watch's software through the Galaxy Wearable app to access performance improvements and bug fixes. Clear app caches regularly to free up memory and prevent slowdowns from accumulated data. Keep your installed apps to a minimum. Aim for under 10, and uninstall unused ones to reduce resource usage. Stay informed about known issues and fixes by monitoring Samsung's community forums and tech websites like Reddit or CNET. If problems persist despite these steps, contact Samsung support or visit a service center for further assistance. Remember that proactive maintenance is key to long-term performance of your Samsung Galaxy Watch.